Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can open the community fund on Monopoly Go. In order to open the community fund or community chest and claim your prize, you need to invite friends to join and play the game. So once enough friends have accepted your invitation to play, you can open the chest and win with your friends. So if you want to add or invite your friends, you just need to tap on friends icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then after that, as you can see, you will find the invite button right here. And you have two ways here. You can share your link, copy link, or you can actually invite using your Facebook account. Now, every time you're playing with the Monopoly Go and landed on a community chest tile, you will add money to the community chest or community fund that can be found on the board near the free parking tile. Now, once you have enough funds, you just need to tap on this open button, and here basically you will play a mini game so you can get some rewards. As you can see, you'll find all your friends on the board, and every time you tap on this start button, it will choose any of your friends and it will add up to your account or the fund right here. So the second time, we have the times 3 on your fund, but if you actually choose this key, it will open up the community fund and then you will get that reward. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.